Simplify the following expression. Well, the first thing I notice is that there's fractional powers, and not only that, we have a fractional negative power. Well, simply looking at the negative power, 2 minus x squared to the negative 1/4 can be rewritten as 1 over 2 minus x squared to the positive 1/4. So negative exponents, you will take the reciprocal. Well, rewriting this, I'm going to see that 1 over 2 minus x squared to the positive 1/4 will be multiplied by x cubed. So that will turn to x cubed divided by 2 minus x squared to the positive 1/4 power. This is still subtracted by 3x times 2 minus x squared to the 3/4 power. Well, I need a common denominator now, so I will multiply top and bottom by 2 minus x squared to the 1/4 power. You can see 2 minus x squared is a common base, and when you are multiplying like bases, you add their exponents. So 3/4 plus 1/4 will simply be to the first power. Therefore, I realize that making this into a common base, I have x cubed minus 3x, 2 minus x squared to the first power, which I do not need to write, all over 2 minus x squared to the 1/4 power. Just distributing this negative 3x, I have x cubed minus 6x plus 3x cubed. Again, all divided by 2 minus x squared to the 1/4 power. From here, I'm going to combine my 3x cubed and my x cubed to 4x cubed minus 6x, still divided by 2 minus x squared to the 1/4 power. Finally, I see that I have common terms I can pull out. I can pull out a 2 and an x from each term. Doing that, I am left with 2x squared minus 3, still divided by 2 minus x squared to the 1/4 power. And this is my final answer.